You may be wondering why the word progressive is in our name. It's because we follow three main philosophies that set us apart from traditional schools. The first is based on John Dewey. We emphasize hands-on, experiential learning and giving children choices. Our early childhood high-scope philosophy and school-wide project-based learning stem from this. What this means is that at Spectrum, your child will be busy learning. They live math through manipulatives, understand the alphabet through making shapes with their bodies, and bring books alive by creating songs and art. As Dewey says, education is not preparation for life. Education is life itself. Our second philosophy is from Jean Piaget. He tells us that children go through stages that are pretty predictable. However, they don't get there all at the same time. We look for the teachable moment when the child is ready. After all, you can't force a bud to bloom before it's time. Your child's education is a journey, not a race. By the same token, those children who are ready early can progress early. Our multi-age levels come from this idea. As Piaget states, the principal goal of education in the schools should be creating men and women who are capable of doing new things, not simply repeating what other generations have done. And finally, multiple intelligences. Harvard University's Dr. Howard Gardner reframed brain research in the 1980s to define intelligence differently. We are smart in many ways, and our culture values many types of intelligence. Spectrum supports inter- and intra-personal intelligences, math and logic smarts, word smarts, kinesthetic smarts, nature smarts, music smarts, visual smarts, both in delivery and assessment. No two brains are the same, and all types of intelligence can be grown. We know all kids are smart, and it's our job to honor different ways to be smart. That is why art integration is so important. Your child may be a whiz at math, but doesn't like to draw. No problem. Our art classes are about enjoying and appreciating both drama, music, and visual art. The same is true if your child can sing like a bird, but struggles with reading. Our reading program allows children to read what interests them in order to foster a love of reading. Dr. Gardner says we should ask, how are you smart? Not, are you smart? I hope this helps explain why progressive is our middle name.